Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of nutrition and natural anti-aging remedies. In this video, we'll unveil the top anti-aging fruits that can work wonders for your skin, health, and overall well-being. Let's get started.
Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching this video. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hurry subscribe here and don't forget to click the bell button.
Number 1. Berries. First up on our list is the powerhouse of antioxidants, berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, helping to slow down the aging process. These tiny fruits are also packed with vitamins and fiber, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Number 2. Avocado. Next on our anti-aging journey is the creamy and delicious avocado. Avocado is not only a tasty addition to your meals but also a treasure trove of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats nourish your skin and help maintain its elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 3. Pomegranate. Moving on, let's explore the vibrant and nutrient-rich pomegranate. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which play a crucial role in promoting collagen production and protecting the skin from sun damage. They're like nature's shield against aging. Number 4. Watermelon. Now, let's talk about a summer favorite, watermelon. Watermelon is not just a refreshing treat, it's also an excellent source of hydration for your skin. Rich in vitamins A and C, this juicy fruit supports collagen production, keeping your skin supple and youthful. Number 5. Kiwi. Our anti-aging journey continues with the small yet mighty kiwi. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse, known for its ability to fight free radicals and boost collagen synthesis. Including kiwi in your diet can contribute to a smoother and more radiant complexion. Number 6. Papaya. Let's turn our attention to the tropical delight, papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and promoting cell turnover. The result? A fresher, younger-looking complexion. Number 7. Banana. Now, let's peel into the benefits of bananas for anti-aging. Bananas are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin A, and B vitamins, which help moisturize and nourish the skin. They also contain antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and keep your skin looking youthful. Number 8. Figs. Moving along, let's discover the sweet and nutritious world of figs. Figs are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They promote skin hydration and can contribute to a smoother complexion. Including figs in your diet adds a natural touch to your anti-aging routine. Number 9. Date. Now, let's explore the sweet and chewy benefits of dates. Dates are rich in iron and vitamin C, which are essential for collagen production. They also contain natural sugars that provide a quick energy boost, supporting your skin's health from the inside out. Number 10. Dried apricots. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss the golden goodness of dried apricots. Dried apricots are a concentrated source of nutrients, including beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for skin health, promoting cell turnover and preventing signs of premature aging. And there you have it, our exploration of the top anti-aging fruits. By incorporating these nutrient-rich powerhouses into your diet, you're not just enjoying delicious flavors but also supporting your skin's health from within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and age gracefully.